Guys, Canva drop insane new updates for 2025. So if you are editing videos in Canva or creating mockups or just want a smoother design experience, then Canva got you covered. So grab a coffee, like this video and see what's the new Canva updates of 2025. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. So now you can able to convert any image into the mockup. So I have the one image with me, like this image I have, but I'm unable to add my design into this poster mockup. So all I have to do is just select this particular image, click on edit, and here you can see this mockups, and just click on this create a mockup template. So just click on it, it will analyze and create or convert your image into a mockup so that you can directly use. So it will provide 4 suggestions sometimes, so you can choose the best one which is works for you. So this is, I want the entire image as mockup, so just select this. So now it will convert my image into the mockup. So if any image I can drop into it. So let's try one image, like I will just add this particular image into this. So you can see my image is adjusted into the frame whatever I have in our image. So in this way you can convert any photo into a mockups that you can see your design in real time. The mockups is really amazing things when it comes to showing your design process or how the design looks in the real time. So I definitely recommend you to, whenever you are finishing your project, definitely create some mockups and share it on social media, and don't forget to tag us Design Talkie, and you can follow us for BTS and amazing stuff. So do you know Canva having the video mockups as well? So if you are a small business owner or running your own agency, so if you want to sell your merchandise or want to sell your product or the journal, then Canva recently shared the new update. Now you can able to adjust the color of your main object. So to access this video mockup, so all you have to do is just click on this apps, and here you can find this mockups, and here you can see the videos. So click on see all, you can see couple of video mockups that you can use directly. So I'm just clicking on this first one, and you can see over here this is having this handbag. So now I am able to change the color of this particular handbag. So I'm just uploading one of my image. My friend is celebrating Holi festival, so I'm adding this particular image into this handbag, and let's see. So you can see here it is generating the perfect video as I'm expected according to the mockup. So now I can able to click on this edit while selecting. So if you are not satisfied and want the particular area, if you want to crop it, you can adjust your image over here, and you can see there is one more option is to color, and you can convert in your brand color. So I'm converting this particular bag to the cream or the beige color which I have in my brand. So I'm just click on apply changes, and within a minute you can see all the changes will apply and your mockup or the video is ready. You can share it on social media while launching your product. So you can see, and when I zoom it, and all the colors got changed according to what I'm looking for. So this is really amazing feature if you are sharing your product or running a small business. So this video I have generated with the help of Canva text to video generator. So as I have mentioned, Canva update their text to video generator, and it is got more powerful. So if you are creating videos in Canva and want to generate amazing videos, so all you have to do is just go into this apps tab over here, and here you can find this magic media. Head it to this and select this video tab over here, and you type your prompt according to whatever the short or the video you needed for your project. So as I have described one of my the video what I need, and you can click on this inspired button. So if you are lacking with the idea, so I have type it over here and click on this generate button. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes time, because it is not generating 1 or 2 images, it is generating the entire video, which is obviously taking time. So let's wait and see the amazing results what Canva is generating. So as you can see here, we have our result. So this is looking really amazing, and if you are not satisfied with the result, then you can click on generate again, but I am pretty much satisfied, so I just click on it and use my project. So suppose if you are working somewhere a video which is having the ocean shots, then you can directly generate it, rather than if you are lacking with the videos or not having your stock footages. So rather than looking for it, you can directly use this amazing AI videos, which gives like update your level of videos. So now you can use this amazing stuff right inside the Canva. Previously it's very hard to edit a video which is having couple of elements. So Canva just launch or update the feature. We have now adjustable timeline. So if we are adding couple of elements in one frame of our video, so we can do that easily. Suppose I'm selecting couple of my, so I can easily adjust my timeline to it and clearly see all my elements or the text whatever I have in one frame, so I can easily adjust the timeline. So this is really amazing feature for providing the smoother video editing experience that we see in general video editor. So this is the really helpful if you are creating videos in Canva. So when you have couple of elements, you can adjust your timeline and edit videos like a pro in Canva. So now you can see here, I can easily edit all my tags and the elements. So this is an amazing and much needed feature which is I'm waiting for also. Uploading images or the design one-on-one is very tedious task. So Canva allows you to upload directly the folders. So now you can upload a folder which is having the couple of things. So you can just click on this add new, and here you can see one option upload folder. So I'm just click on it and it allows me to upload any folder I want. So I have the 3 images inside this. So rather than uploading one-on-one images, I just select this particular folder and upload it directly. So you can see the entire folder is uploaded and it will contain the 3 images whatever I have. Recently we got in Canva community event, so definitely share with you small glimpse of it, so stay tuned. So this is really amazing and a kind of a productive feature this Canva recently added. And here we are. So which feature like you the most? Let me know in the comment section, and also give it a thumbs up to this video, like, share and subscribe, which motivates us to create amazing content. If you have content idea and want to see this particular channel, then definitely comment it out. We will definitely create an amazing stuff for you as well. So share your feedback in the comment section, and which Canva feature you like the most, let me know in the comments, and give a thumbs up to this video. So till then, take care of yourself. Tata, bye bye, see you into the next amazing video.